Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm in a different place right now. I'm actually in my closet, obviously. So today I decided to do a video that I haven't done before on my channel, which is gonna be a closet clean out. So basically, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I do videos like clothing hauls and stuff like that. I get a lot of clothes and sometimes I will order something and then, I don't know, it's like I think I'll like it, but then I get it and then I just don't like it, or something doesn't fit me how I want it to fit, or realistically, I'm probably not gonna wear it. So I'm in my closet today to kind of get rid of some of those items. And what is so awesome is that Poshmark is sponsoring this video today. Yay! I love Poshmark. I've used Poshmark for I think probably almost a year, so I thought it was pretty awesome that they hit me up and they wanted to work with me. Basically, if you don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app where you could sell your used clothing. You can sell clothes, shoes. What I typically sell is just clothes, shoes, and also wigs. I've sold a lot of wigs on Poshmark and people really seem to love those. I haven't done much wig stuff lately, so I haven't been putting that many wigs on there, but I actually do have a couple wigs in my closet that I'm thinking about getting rid of. I have this one up here, you can kind of see the hair for it, but I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I'm going to be getting rid of and putting on my Poshmark. And the thing I really love about Poshmark is that you can get really good deals on things, like for a huge percent off, like what the normal price would be. Some of this stuff you can even find with tags on them already. For instance, a lot of the stuff that I put on Poshmark, they still have their tags on them. So the stuff I'll probably be selling today is going to be either like Fashion Nova, Boohoo, or Pretty Little Things. For little things. I don't even know. They have different brands. They have like even high-end brands. Just everything. Any brand you can think of. You can find something on Poshmark for Nike, Adidas, Gucci, Michael Kors, anything. Just search it and I'm sure they have it on there. Download the app using the link in my description box down below to sign up today and use my referral code KaylaJXO and you'll save $10 off of your first order with Poshmark. You can shop my closet or you can shop other brands and that will save you $10 on your first order. So I'm gonna actually show you my closet, and the closet is actually like what is your store, I guess, where you like put all your stuff that you want to sell. I'll show you that so you can take a look at how it looks. Okay, so this is the Poshmark app. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and then this is my feed. This is just stuff that's been posted by brands that I follow or the people that I follow. And I love Poshmark because you can buy and sell so many different things, not just clothes and shoes. There's also accessories, purses, even home decor, stuff like that. There's so many different things you could buy and sell on here. And this is my closet. This is some of the stuff that I have posted, and a lot of this stuff actually has sold. But I'm going to be adding more stuff. Some of the stuff that I'm going to show you in this video, that will be posted, and I'll post even more. I'm probably going to post maybe like 15 or 20 new items, so you guys make sure you check it out. Okay, so let's kind of look through my closet and see what I have and see what I'm going to sell. So let's go back this way. This is an item that I'm planning on selling. This is just a orange dress that I got from Fashion Nova. Let me show it to you guys. This is how it looks. Cute. It's body hugging, and then there's a little cutout right here for cleavage. It's brand new, never worn. I have the tags on it still right here, and it's long sleeve. I think this is perfect for like, I think I love orange, you know, in the Halloween months in October. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my Poshmark for you guys so you guys check it out. It was originally $30, so I'm just gonna sell it for $10 for you guys. Anything on this side? This is from Fashion Nova. It's a really cute romper. It's really cute. It's like really like boho kind of style. I really love it. It has your shoulders out, but it's long sleeves with really cute bell sleeves. And it has a little snap right here so the cleavage isn't too low. This was originally $34.99. I'm probably just gonna sell it for $10. I'm pretty sure I'm selling everything for $10 unless it's a wig. I sell the wigs for more because I put a lot of work into making my wigs, you know what I'm saying? Next thing I'm gonna sell are these pants. These are some faux leather pants. I think this was actually in the last haul that I did on my channel. These are from Pretty Little Thing. They were too big for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and post them on there. They're really great and really good quality. They're really long, and I think these are a really good item to have, especially it's gonna be winter time coming up, so these are gonna be really sexy to wear when it's not so hot outside. This is from Pretty Little Thing as well. It's a polka dot dress, and it has a little tie around the waist, so like right under your boobs, so you can kind of tighten it up. It's a size US 22. It just fit me really snug. I didn't like the fit on me, but when I saw it on the model, it was really cute. So I think it would be cute on someone else. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this dress on my Poshmark as well. So you guys check that out on my Poshmark and get it before it's gone. Okay, and I found another thing that I'm probably not gonna wear. It's this dress from Fashion Nova. It's a really cute floral dress. It's in a size 3X. It doesn't have the price on it, but I'm just gonna sell it for $10. It was probably maybe like 25 or 30 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my Poshmark as well, so you guys better get it before it's gone. Another thing that I'm gonna be selling is this skirt. This skirt is in a size US 22. It's a really pretty skirt. I think it's cute. You can dress it up or dress it down. This one is from Boohoo. I'm gonna be putting that on my Poshmark. I'm gonna sell this for $10 as well. Okay, and here are the other items that I'm going to be adding to my Poshmark. So you guys make sure y'all go check it out so y'all can get any of these items that you see in this video today. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to check out my closet and click the link in my description box down below so you can download the app and use my referral code KaylaJXOX. And so that'll save you $10 off of your first order with Poshmark. Make sure you guys leave your Poshmark's names down below so we can all shop each other's closets. I want to see what you guys are selling. And yeah, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.